Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a button in Wix. First, locate the Add Elements panel on the left side of your editor, represented by a plus sign. Click on it, then find the Button section. You'll see many button styles. Select one that suits your design. Simply drag and drop your chosen button onto your page. You can easily adjust its size by pulling the corners, ensuring it fits just right within your layout. Once your button is on the page, it's time to make it visually appealing. Double-click the button to edit its text and choose from hundreds of font options. Next, click the design icon to open up a world of customization. Here, you can change the button's fill color, background, and border. You can also adjust the corner radius to make your button perfectly rounded or keep it sharp and angular, giving you full creative control. A button needs to do something, right? To add functionality, click the link icon that appears when your button is selected. This opens the Link Settings panel. You have several options: link to a web address, a specific page on your site, an anchor point, or even an email. After entering your destination, choose whether the link opens in the current window or a new one. This ensures your visitors navigate exactly as you intend. Beyond the basics, Wix offers advanced settings to make your buttons truly stand out. Explore the animation options to add subtle or dynamic movement when the button loads. You can also set hover effects, changing the button's color or text when a user's mouse passes over it. Always use clear, concise text for your call to action, like learn more or shop now. Strategic placement, such as above the fold, ensures maximum visibility and user engagement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.